Hi everyone, this is Krishna of Math Society faculty. Last class we discussed factor theorem. Once again we have to recall the factor theorem. Thereafter synthetic division method. Thereafter we have to discuss some problems. See here we have to recall the factor theorem. Factor theorem. Here. See here, let f of x is a polynomial. Of degree is greater than or equal to 1 and a is a real number. Here are two cases. First one is x minus a is a factor if f of a is equal to 0. Second one, f of a is equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of f of x. See here once again. Let f of x is a polynomial of degree 1. Degree greater than or equal to 1. That means you have to take at least one linear polynomial. Why? Because linear polynomial's degree is 1. Thereafter you have to take a polynomial that is constant polynomial. But that's why here condition is given. F of x is a polynomial of degree is greater than or equal to 1 and a is a real number. Then x minus a is a factor if f of a is equal to 0. This is a, see here x minus a, this is f of x, this is q of x, this is r of x. Here r of x is equal to f of a. See here, this is a, x minus a is a divisor, is a factor of this polynomial, then remainder compulsory 0. Suppose you have to take here some number, this is 2, this is 8, 2 4 is 8, this is remainder is 0. Understand? Suppose here remainder is 0 means here x minus a is a factor of given polynomial. Now see here two conditions. I will give you two examples. First one is here sum of the all coefficient of a polynomial is equal to 0, then x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. Here which polynomial you have to take? That polynomial. Here example you have to take here x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 3. X to the power of 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x plus 3. Here see here its coefficient is 1, its coefficient is 2, its coefficient is 3 and 2 minus 3. Now you can add here minus 2 plus 2 cancel, 1 plus 1 3, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. That means here sum of all coefficient is equal to 0 means here x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Second condition, here sum of even power coefficient of a polynomial is equal to sum of coefficient of odd powers, sum of even power coefficient and sum of odd power coefficient, sum of odd power coefficient of a polynomial is equal, then x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. Here example you have to take one. Example means here x cube minus 6x square plus 3x x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 10 you can take. So see here, odd power, here 3, it's power 3, this is power 1, then 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Now here even power 2, here 0, then x power 0, then here minus 6 plus 10 is equal to 4. Then here both even and odd, both coefficients are equal, then here x plus 1 is a factor, x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Note down this little bit, then we will discuss the synthetic division method. Okay, now we have to discuss synthetic division method. See here, clearly one polynomial p of x or f of x has given 2x cube plus 17x minus 6 minus 11x square. First, this is irregular order, we have to write according to variable. See here, according to variable, thereafter according to degree also you can write here. 2x cube, next minus 11x square plus 17x minus 6. This is a polynomial. Thereafter, you have to take the coefficient according to degree. 2 here minus 11, 17 minus 6. Then you can apply here, the 2 is exist or not. Which one? Sum of the coefficient is equal to 0 means x minus 1. Here 2 plus 17, 19. This is minus 11 plus 6 is equal to minus 17. That's why 19 is not equal to minus 17. Thereafter even and odd. Here 19 and this is also 17. That is also not possible. Then what we will do? How to find the factors? Then we will test each and everything. X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. No, nothing. See here, this is a constant is there. That constant you have to factorize. You can write the factors. 6 its factors is here 1 and 2 and 3. 6 its factor is 1, 2, 3 and 6 also. Now you can test here. This is 1 is not possible. Then 2 you can take here. X is equal to 2 you can write. Here 2 means here. First you can write here. Under this is 0. Any number also no problem. Whatever the polynomial its coefficient is there means no problem. But first according to synthetic division method, first you can write the first number under 0. Thereafter what we will do? You can add these two numbers. Then 2. Again this number into this divisor multiply and write here. 2 into 2 4. This is minus 7. Until this is the last digits it is equal to 0. Otherwise it is not a factor. Just we have to check this is a factor or not. See here 7 into 2 minus 14. Then this is 3. Then 3 into 2 6 plus 6 minus 6. This is equal to 0. Although this is a quadratic equation, then you know that how to find the factors, or otherwise again you can write here. This is also possible. You can write here x is equal to 3. Here this is the constant is 3. Either 1 or 3. Anyone also possible. 3 is possible or not. You can check here. 0, 2, 2 into 3, 6. This is minus 1. 3 into 1, minus 3. This is also 0. Now see here. Factors you can write here. X plus 2 means this is the 2 and this side means this is x minus 2 is equal to 0. And this is also x minus 3, 0. This is the constant. Next this is x term. Then 2x minus 1. This like you have to find the synthetic division method. Okay. Whenever they will give this like one polynomial, then you can take here 2 or 3. If you don't know means here constant you have to write all factors. Which factor is suitable you can take here. Then the last that factor is its a last digit is it becomes a 0. Then this is a factor. Otherwise it is not suitable. Then you can go one more number. Okay, understand clearly children? Okay, now we have to discuss some problems. Okay, now see here, first problem challenges determine whether g of x is a factor of f of x. Here two problems as given. I will explain first problem, you can try at home. Second problem, see here. This is f of x. F of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 4. And g of x is equal to 2. G of x is equal to x minus 2. X minus 2. Then g of x is equal to, here this is a factor of this one means it's a g of 2 is equal to 0, then here x minus 2 is equal to 0 means here x is equal to 2. Then you can substitute here 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 4. Then here 2 cube is 8, 2 square 4, 4 2s are, 4 3s are 12 and 2 4s are 8 minus 4. Now you can add 8 plus 8, 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Then this is a factor of, this remainder is equal to 0. Then this is a factor of given polynomial. Note down this one, you can try at home that one. Okay, next one is second one. If x cube plus 2x square plus ax plus b as factors x plus 1 and x minus 1, find a and b. See here, this is f of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square plus ax plus b. Now x minus 1 is a, x plus 1 is a factor of f of x, then x is equal to minus 1, then x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1, then f of minus 1 is equal to, where it is x, you have to substitute minus 1. Minus 1 cube plus 2 into minus 1 square plus a into minus 1 plus b. Actually, it is a factor of given polynomial means it is equal to 0. Remainder is equal to 0. Then this is 1 cube, minus 1 cube minus 1. Here minus 1 square plus 1 into 2 plus 2. And this is minus into plus minus plus b is equal to 0. Now you can write here minus a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you can multiply with minus a minus b minus 1 this and that side, it is equal to 1. Now this is 1. Next one is here x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. Then x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1, then f of 1 is equal to, you can write it. Where it is x instead of, you can write here 1. Then 1 cube plus 2 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b is equal to 0. Then 1 cube is equal to 1 plus this is 2 plus a plus b is equal to 0. Now a plus b is equal to minus 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Set that side. This is second equation. Now from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. Here a minus b is equal to 1 and a plus b is equal to minus 3. This 2 you can add here, 2a. This b cancel. Then 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Then a is equal to minus 1. This a is equal to minus 1 you have to substitute here or here, anyone also. Now see here a plus b. A instead of, you can write minus 1 plus b is equal to minus 3. Then b is equal to minus 3. This one and that side means plus 1. Then b is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2. Note down. Okay, now here two problems as given. First, third one is find the value of k such that x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus k exactly divisible by x minus 2. It is exactly divisible by x minus 2 means x minus 2 is a factor and at the same time its remainder is equal to 0. Then here also fourth one also same. I will explain fourth one. You can try third one. Find the value of m in order that x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus mx plus 5 is exactly divisible by x minus 3. Here also same conditions. X minus 3 is exactly divisible means it is a factor at the same time its remainder is equal to 0. Now given polynomial you can write here f of x is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus mx plus 5. Okay, f of x is divisible by, f of x is exactly divisible by x minus 3. Then x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 3. Then x instead of, you can substitute here 3. Then f of 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 4 minus 2 into 3 cube plus 3 into 3 square minus m into 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now this is 3 for 4. 3 into 3, 9. 9 3s are 27 into 3, 81. Minus 3 cube 27 into 2, 54. Plus 3 square 9, 9 3s are 27. Minus 3m plus 5 is equal to 0. Now you can add here. This is 81, 108. 108 plus 5. 108 plus 5 is equal to 113. minus 54 plus 3m minus 3m is equal to 0. Now this is 113 minus 54, this is 9, and 10 minus 59. Is it correct? Okay. Now this is 59 minus 3m is equal to 0, and m is equal to 59 by 3. This is not divisible. Why? Because 59 is a prime number, that's why. Note down. Okay, next fifth one, show that x minus 1 is a factor of x to the power of 10 minus 1 and also of x to the power of 11 minus 1. See here, f of x is equal to x to the power of 10 minus 1. Then x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. Then x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, you have to substitute here. Then f of 1 is equal to 1 power 10 minus 1. 1 power 10 also 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, this is a factor. Now, you can write here g of x. G of x is equal to x to the power of 11 minus 1. Then g of x, x minus 1 is a factor of g of x. Then here x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. At the same time, here g of x instead of g of 1 you can write here. Then 1 power 11 minus 1. 1 power 11 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of x to the power of 10 minus 1 and x to the power of 11 minus 1. Note down. Okay, next is one without actual division. Without actual division, prove that 2x cube plus 13x square plus x minus 70 is divisible by x minus 2. That means its remainder is equal to 0. We are also not doing actual division. Here this is f of x is equal to 2x cube plus 13x square plus x minus 70. Then it is divide. Okay, f of x is divide. F x is divide by x minus 2. Now x minus 2 you can write here 0, then x is equal to, that means the 0 value of x is equal to, now you can write here f of 2. If it is equal to 0 means it is divisible, or not equal to 0 means this is not divisible. See here, 2 into 2 power 3 plus 13 into 2 square plus 2 minus 70. See here, 2 cube is equal to 8, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 square 4 into 13, 13 4s are 52 plus 2 minus 70. Now this is 50, 60, 68, 70. 70 minus 70 is equal to 0. Therefore, it is divided by x minus 2. No doubt. Okay, now show that x minus 2, comma x plus 3 and x minus 7 are the factors of x cube minus 6x square minus 13x plus 42. Here 3 has given its 0 value is equal to 0 means then it is a factor, otherwise it is not a factor. Okay, now f of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square minus 13x plus 42. X minus 2 is a factor. F of x. See here, then this 0 value is 2. Then 0 value is x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to, you can write here. Then f of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square minus 13 into 2 plus 42. 2 cube is equal to 8 and 2 square 4. 4 6 are 24 and 13 2s are 26 plus 42. Now see here, this is 20, 20, 40, 50, minus 50, then this is 50. 50, 50 cancel, 0. Now second one, x plus 3 is a factor of, x plus 3 is a factor of f of x. See here, then x is equal to minus 3, then x instead of you can write here minus 3, then minus 3 cube, 6 into minus 3 square minus 13 into minus 3 plus 42. Then here 3 cube minus 27 and 3 square 9, 9 6 are 54. 13 into 3, 39 plus 42. Now this is 50, 70, 81 minus 81 plus this is also 81 is equal to 0. Now x plus 3 is a factor. Now see here, x minus 7 is a factor of f of x. Now x minus 7 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 7. Now right here f of 7 is equal to 7 power 3 minus 6 into 7 square minus 13 into 7 plus 42. 7 into 7 cube, 7 into 7, 49 into 7 is 343. 7 square 49, 49 into 6, 6 9s are 54, 6 4s are 24, 29, 294. Next one is 17 into 13 into 7, 91 plus 42. Now this is 385, this 2, this is also minus 385. This is also cancelled, it's 0. Okay, therefore x minus 2, x plus 3 and x minus 7 are the factors of given polynomial x cube minus 6x square minus 13x plus 42. Note down. Okay, determine the value of a if x minus a is a factor of the polynomial x cube minus a square minus 1 into x plus 2. See here, f of x is equal to x cube minus a square minus 1 into x plus 2. Here x minus a is a factor, x minus a is a factor of f of x. Then 0 value of x is equal to a, then f of a is equal to 0. f of a is equal to 0. Then f of a is equal to x instead of you can write here a, then a cube minus a square minus 1 into a plus 2. Now a cube minus here a into a square is equal to a cube minus into minus plus a into 1 a plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is a cube minus a cube cancel, then a plus 2 is equal to 0, a is equal to minus 2. Note down. Okay, next 9th problem. Find the value of b and c if the division of x square plus bx plus c by x minus 1 leaves remainder is 0, by x plus 2 leaves remainder is 12. See here clearly as given. First one is f of x as given. f of x is equal to x square plus bx plus c. Here x minus 1, it is divided by x minus 1 and leaves remainder 1. Okay, see here. f of x is divided by x minus 1 and leaves remainder is 0. Okay, now see here x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1, then that means it is a factor of this one. Why? Because here remainder is equal to 0. Now f of 1 is equal to 1 square plus b into 1 plus c is equal to 0. Now b into 1 b plus c is equal to minus 1. This is equation 1. Next, second condition, if it is divided by x plus 2 and remainder is 12. See here, f of x is divided by x plus 2 and leaves remainder 12. Now here x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. Now you can write here x instead of you can write here minus 2, then f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 square plus b into minus 2 plus c is equal to what is the remainder here? Leaves remainder 12. Right here 12. Now b into 2 minus 2b plus c, here 2 square is 4 is equal to 12. Now minus 2b plus c is equal to this 4 side that side. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Now this is equation 1 and equation 2 you can take here. This is equation 2. from equation 1 and 2. Here minus 2b, first one is a b plus c is equal to minus 1, minus 2b plus c is equal to 8. Now equation 1 minus equation 2. Then this is plus, this is minus, minus. This is CC cancel. Here 3b is equal to minus 9. B is equal to 3. How many times? 3 times. Minus 3. This b value you have to substitute equation 1. Then b minus 3 plus c is equal to 1 minus 1. Then c is equal to minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 2. Note down. Okay, next 10th one. What must be subtracted from 4x cube plus 16x square minus x plus 5 to obtain a polynomial which is exactly divisible by x plus 5? See, a normal method we have to try this one. See here, x plus 5. Here 4x cube plus 16x square minus x plus 5. See here, this is 4x cube, this is x. Then what we have to multiply with this one means here 4x square, 4x square into x, 4x cube. At the same time 4x square into 5 is equal to 20x square. Subtract here, minus, minus. This is cancel. Now this is 20, minus 20, this is 16, minus 4x square minus x minus x. Now you can write here minus 4, this is x square, this is x. Then you have to multiply it minus 4x. Minus 4x into x minus 4 x square minus 4 into 5 minus 20 x. Here plus, this is cancel. Now 20 minus 1 is equal to 19 x plus this is 5. Now you can multiply it by 19 plus 19. 19 ones are 19x and 19 fives are 95. Then here minus, this is minus. Then this one cancel. Here this is minus 90. This is actual method, but shortcut method I will explain. See here, by using synthetic division method, first we have to write the coefficient according to descending order degree for year 16, year minus 1, year 5. First we have to write. Thereafter, here zero value of x plus 5 is equal to, then x is equal to minus 5. Then what we will do first, we have to put here 0 under 4, add it is 4 into 5 minus 20. Then here minus 4 into 5 plus 20, then 19, 19 into 5 minus 95, then this is minus 90. This one, here we have to subtract how much? Minus 90. Minus 90 means you have to subtract plus 90. Plus 90 minus, actually here minus 90 you have to subtract means, then this minus 90 minus 180, that's why you have to plus 90 you have to subtract. Okay, this is the answer. You have any idea? This is why we have to add a plus 90. Yes, sir. Here remainder is minus 90. Sir, we have to subtract minus 90. But you said here plus 90. How it is, sir? See here. You can add here plus 90 means this is 95. At last, this is also plus 95. Minus 95 plus 95 both are cancelled means it is equal to 0. That's why you have to what must be subtracted from this number means you have to subtract it how much here? Plus 90. Plus 90. Okay. Plus 90 means here minus 90. Subtracted means here minus 90. Actually here 5 minus of minus 90. Minus into minus plus. That's why here plus 90. That is 95. Minus 90. Subtracted. Okay. Thank you, children. Next class we have to discuss remaining problems. Thank you. Watching my videos.